What's good, Mr. Peniston in the building? Today I wanted to clean this engine bay. A couple people have been messaging me talking about, yo, when you gonna clean that engine bay? It's mad dirty, B. But yeah, I'm about to clean this thing. As you can see, very dirty. I also want to clean my air filter for my cold air intake, but maybe in another video I'll do that. But yeah, this bad boy's dirty. It's dirty up here on the sides. The Batman stickers got all jacked up. It's another annoying thing. This has nothing to do with the video, but when I bought this car, the air cabin vent cover was missing. Never replaced it. Need to get that joint fixed. So, I'm gonna clean this bad boy today, and I got a couple of items. I got a bucket of water, screwdriver, a little old microfiber towel, a little cheap little brush got from the dollar store, another little brush right there, and then I got this bad boy. I got some gunk engine greaser, engine cleaner and degreaser multi-surface with a little bit of citrus flavor. So yeah, I got about half a bottle. The last time I cleaned my engine bay was like almost 2 years ago, so we'll see how that works. So yeah, the first thing we need to do is spray some of this engine gunk onto the areas that need to be cleansed, and I have to let it sit for like 10 minutes. Anyway, I'm not a professional, so do this at your own risk if you're following me and watching my video. Obviously, you don't want to spray it on, wires and alternators and important things like that, but try to get good areas as you can. If it's too tight, then you might want to get a little hand towel and put some degreaser on it and clean it, but I'm gonna go ahead and prep it real quick. I'll be back. Woo! So I didn't film while I was spraying because the wind's blowing and this stuff is getting all in my throat. Got that secondhand contact, know what I mean? Just joking. So yeah, I just sprayed it lightly around. Try to be careful in certain areas. Remove the cold air intake. Sorry, the cold air intake filter. I didn't want to spray it on my HID. Yeah, so I just went around evenly. I'm gonna let it soak for like 10 minutes. And then I have the brushes to go and scrub the areas that are really dirty. So I'm gonna come back in a little bit here. So I'm gonna let this soak for a little bit, and then I'll come in and start scrubbing. All right, so time has been up for a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead, get my little brush. I'm gonna wet it. Bloop, 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 bloop. All right, and I'm just gonna brush. Just the big areas, nothing too much, nothing too crazy. I got a smaller brush to get those other areas. And I'm just gonna brush it in, let it work some more. All the tight areas, I can get the nooks and crannies. But yeah, I'm just gonna basically go around in all the different areas and brush. Try to get it clean. I'm not going to film the whole thing, and it's going to take a long time, but I'm just starting from here. Get all that grime. So yeah, just going to go through, go all around, get all the little nooks and crannies, get my smaller brush, go around everything, and I'll be back. Alright, did a little bit of elbow grease, so I'm not trying to get this perfect for the record. I'm just trying to clean it up and get most of the dirt and grime off. But so I took my brush, scrubbed the areas that I really wanted to get into. So you can see it's starting to dry now, which is fine. I'll go ahead and get my hose so I can wash this down, and then get my rag, and I can go in the areas that I'm sensitive to with the wires and all those important features of the engine. Alright, got my hose. I'm gonna put this on shower setting. I'm gonna do a light little drizzle, my nizzle. Let's test it out. So I'll go ahead. I'll do this front part first. And of course you can come back and wipe things down. Alright, so I went ahead and wiped it down. Yes, I went ahead and wiped it down. And it looks good. I mean, it's not perfect, but you know, I got most of the griminess out. So now I'll go ahead and spray, get all the extra residue off. Then I let this bad boy dry. I'm not gonna polish it or put armor oil or anything to make it shine because I'm in Utah. It gets mad dusty over here. So it's not really worth my time to maintain the engine bay. I just wanted to give it a quick little clean. But yeah, it looks good. It's not spotless, but you know, I got a lot of dust out, which is what I was trying to do. So next step. Okay, this was a quick clean, nothing too serious. I'll go ahead and put my air intake back on and turn the engine on so it can help dry up the water, a little dampness, and then I should be good to go. All right, there it is. Clean the engine bay. It's not shiny or polished. Again, I'm not going to do that. It's too dusty and dirty out here in Utah. But yeah, it looks a lot cleaner. Got a lot of the dust off. Little bits of water staying on the side in little compartments, but that's going to just evaporate with the heat. So yeah, I'm happy with it. Nice quick fix. Again, just a quick little demonstration on cleaning your engine bay. It's not the detailed way, but it's a quick way. Let me know if you got any questions, but the 3.6 is looking good. I'm out.